Hello everybody, Cameron here, and welcome to this brief video for WP Members List. Now this is a plugin, and I've been working on this plugin for quite a while. I've been using it in my business. I've been trying to get it perfect before I made it available for everyone on a large scale. A lot of you over the last 6 months or so have been getting review copies of the plugin. You've been using the plugin and sending me some of your feedback, and we've really used that feedback to make what I think is a really great plugin. So in this brief video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use WP Members List. I'm going to give you the ins and outs of it and show you how you can quickly implement it onto your own website. Now, what I've done is I've built a demo website here that is going to show you basically how to get the plugin up and running. So the first page you see here, this is a free WordPress theme. It's been a theme that I've been working with for a while now. As you can see, it's called Minimize. And it's absolutely free. There is an upgraded version, but to be honest, I don't really think you need the upgraded version if you just want to get something up quick and easy. Now, the way that I use WP Member List is to build my email list. So I'll have a business type page similar to what you see here. And what I will then have is I will have different pages within the website to actually promote a free members area. And that free members area is where they can get additional training. Maybe they can get some of my free bribes that I've may have promised. They can get just an assortment of videos. I've actually had one interesting case study that I'll be telling you about in the future. But essentially what I did is I set up like a fan club type website. It had a little bit different layout than this, but I set up its fan page type website members area where I had a whole bunch of free content from a guru out there, Tony Robbins. And basically what I did is I just scoured the web and scoured YouTube for as many Tony Robbins videos as I can find. And I created a very simple website like this, a few pages, just like what you see here. And basically it was like, hey, Tony Robbins lovers, get access to this free membership area where we upgrade and talk about all things Tony Robbins, okay? And it was really great. I was able to build a list of Tony Robbins fans that I can promote more products to. I can promote self-help stuff too. So if you're in a self-help niche and you do a lot of self-help stuff, you can create a really quick Tony Robbins fan club type website. Get as many Tony Robbins fans into a free membership area where you have just a bunch of free YouTube videos for them and maybe a lively group of feedback and some Q&As on some of the videos. And it's a really great way to build a list. Okay, so obviously there's not a whole lot within that. Over the next couple weeks, I'm going to be showing you how I built these membership sites. I built this membership site that I'm going to be using here, using all free plugins, all free themes and whatnot. Okay. So let's get into WP Members List and what it means and how you can use it. Okay, so like I said, this is a free WordPress website. I haven't done much to it. This is basically just the bare bones as you see it now, but you'll see in the future as I build out this website how cool it really can be just using free themes. So there's not a lot going on here, and I don't really want to focus on the home page first. Okay, if you're promoting something in, like, let's say the offline niche, this could easily be a website that you use as like for your services, right? So if you're doing like consulting work, you can have a nice looking professional page like this that's just very short, has some blog posts down here below, some features or some services that you provide, and then what we'll do is use WP Members List. So let's go take a look at what WP Members List actually looks like. So first thing I have is anywhere, just like any other WordPress website, what I'll do is I'll typically drive as many people as I can to a join page, similar to this one. Now this is just a very basic page. I haven't done any work to it. I have a free membership plugin that I use with my websites, and the free membership plugin actually creates the page as you see it right now. So what's the power of WP Members List? This is where really the magic happens. Basically, your content, your videos, whatever you have on your website, your free bribes will drive someone to a page similar to this. And on this page, there's a link basically. It's just promoting that somebody joins this link. And what happens when they click this link? WP Members List. Now what this plugin does is it gives access to a private membership area, okay? And simultaneously, it will add a user to your Aweber, your Get Response, your Constant Contact, to your Infusionsoft, whatever. It works with most autoresponders, MailChimp, and it happens simultaneously. Now, that may not seem like a lot to you, but think about a company like Dropbox. When you sign up for Dropbox, what's the process? You don't go to Dropbox and say, hey, I want a Dropbox account. And then they'll say, okay, before you can set up a Dropbox account, let me send you this free, white paper. And then from there, you'll get access to your Dropbox account if you confirm, right? No, that doesn't happen. They just say, okay, great. You sign up for Dropbox. Now you have access. But at the same time, they also have the ability to start sending you promotional emails. And that's what WP Members List does as well. As you can see here, I have a nice simple headline. Enter your email address below and you get absolutely free access to the complete WP Members List training. Simply enter your name and your email below and you'll be immediately sent to our private members area. There's no double opt-in. There's no confirmation. There's no check your email for the code and for the special link. There's none of that. They just get immediately sent to your members area. So how else can you use this? Well, what if you're a blog owner? Here I have a blog post. And as you can see, this is just a blog post that I created with some testimonials. And this is using a testimonial plugin that I have. It's another free plugin that I use that I work with. And these are just some testimonials from people about WP Members List. But then look at the bottom. What do I have? Get WP Members List access for free. What happens when they click this text? Again, the pop-up comes up and now the person has the ability to sign up. They'll enter their first name, they'll enter their email, and they'll enter their password. WP Members List doesn't keep their password. It's just like signing up to any other WordPress membership database. And then the user can use their email as their username essentially. So, and the first name and the email is then sent to your autoresponder. It works seamlessly. And then another thing, let's say somebody's been to your website a couple times and they've already signed up, but maybe they can't remember where the sign up URL is. Well, again, they can click this link. And as you can see at the bottom, already a member, click here to log on. And then from here, they'll simply be sent to a page where they can log on to your WordPress database. All right. It's really, really well thought out. And I've tested it over thousands of websites and thousands of trials and error at this point. And it's really effective. Really quick, let me just show you one more way that we've been able to use this plugin. So another way is, as you can see here on the sidebar area. On the sidebar area, I have just a plain image. Join our members area absolutely free. And then it's just an image. What happens when they click the image? Boom, another opt-in box pops up. But I don't know about you, but for me, it was always so difficult to get opt-in boxes and two-step opt-in in places without using some complicated code from a third-party source. I could never find something within Aweber that just worked for all of my autoresponders. And this was a really big help. Let me show you another page and another way that we've been able to use WP Members List. So what I've done is I just created this nice quick review page, right? And anybody can set this up. Just basically, it's just a little short sales copy about, how somebody can use WP Members List. And if you remember, before we were using the two-step opt-in method, right? If we go back to the Join Now page, they have to click this, and once they click, the opt-in box pops up. Well, now here on this review page, we skip the two-step opt-in, right? And you can do this with the same exact opt-in box, so you can split test which works better. But what I've done here is I just inserted the opt-in directly onto the WordPress page or post. It doesn't really matter which one you do, page or post. You can insert your opt-in box directly and it works exactly the same. Again, the person will just fill out their name, Cameron. I'm going to fill out my email, mktgwithcameron@gmail.com, and then I could put my password, right? Now, my email will be the username for this WordPress database, and then my password will be the password to log on to the WordPress database, and this name and email will be sent to my autoresponder as the owner of this website. So that's how WP Members List works. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be showing you how I set up this website, the true power of it. I just want to give you a quick overview. And then really quickly, let me show you what happens. This is, this is another product that I've created in the past, and I just want to show you what my members area would actually look like. So as you can see, I have a nice big attractive headline for the members area. And then I have welcome to WP members list. And I have a nice little welcome message. So this will be like a members homepage, okay? And as you can see here, I have a little secret menu that is only for the people who have actually joined using this opt-in form, okay? Again, I'm not going to go into that into this video, but I will show you how I built this out in a following video. And as you can see, they can still go to the homepage. Let's say they go to the homepage, they want to see something else that we talked about, and then they go back, and now that they can navigate through the entire members area as well. This is a nice, really, really clean members area and website, and it just has been working like gangbusters for me. So what are some people who can use this type of WP members list? Well, I'm going to be going through each one of those in detail in the future, in the next coming days and next coming weeks. So if you want to learn more, just let me know. If you want to see specific ways of using the plugin, I will do that for you as well. And I just really look forward to sharing this plugin with you and showing you what it can really do, and hopefully helping your business grow as well. So that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can send me an email to my support email at mktgwithcameron@gmail.com. And like you see there, to your success, I'll see you in the next training.